Hello Laushi, hopefully you are well. This is Hassan MD Imran. I'd like to thank you so much for your time and consideration during the whole time in our internship journey. Today I would like to talk in front of you about my AI and web project. So for my AI project, I'm using this dataset, chest, X-ray marks and levels. So this dataset only 10 GB. So this dataset contains X-ray and corresponding marks. This is the dataset. This dataset has the lung segmentation. Here is some PNG and also marks, and also has some TXT file. So I give our project name is Advancing Patient Care with AI, RAS unit, and feature extraction strategies for lung segmentations and tuberculosis detections. Here I am using RAS unit and UNet for predicting lung segmentation in X-ray images. Those two models, especially RAS unit and UNet, are trained and evaluated on this dataset. And also I'm using the feature extraction strategies. I'm using some three pre-trained model: Inception, RASNet B2 and RASNet 15 and BGG16. Here I'm also detect the tuberculosis case diagnosis, EDA, exploratory data analysis, and also data feature extracts from X-ray images, and also feed forward into MLP neural network for classifications. So those are my AI projects. So in this code, first of all, I load all necessary libraries and also install some libraries. And here is the path. I select the path for my dataset to image path train and mass path train, and also image path test and train and test path, and I do some test and get test and some necessary things. In second step of my project, there is the loading images and marks. So those are the loading images and marks part. So here is the CXR data and marks data, and also I'm doing the data argument. So here I may apply the brightness contents and also remove the noisy, and this is the original data. So this one is the context B1, and then second context, and also noisy, and also this is the final marks, remove the noise of my data. So in feature extraction and classification part, first of all I am doing the data analysis. Here is some path for my data. I just select using this data set for and actually this one I done for the detect the tuberculosis positive case or negative cases. So this one is the first image is the positive on tuberculosis, and second one is the negative of tuberculosis. And those are my path and sources and text files and different portions. This is actually the final how many levels in my data. So those are the normal things in which you show us in the internship journey. The third is the feature extraction. So here I am using the three feature extraction model, the pre-trained model. So first one is the RASNet 15. So those are the RASNet 15s, and second is BGG16 and here also feed forward features for classifier using the Adam optimizer to optimize the model. So this one actually give the value actually has get. Then this is the conversion matrix for and feature extraction feature vector for L2 normalize for uni, and this one is another things. And also this is also the output of that one. This is our main work during this project, AI project. First of all, I import the necessary libraries, TensorFlow and MLflow, and then also train and also this is the define the RAS unit function. So after then we will train data. This is the summary of our model. So here we can see the total params and trainable params, and we have few non-trainable params, and those actually then will select this and then the RAS unit B5 the best format, the best. This is we save those model in here. So I'm also include those model to our final submission. This is the train and model fit over function. We can actually we are using the 50 epochs for train our model. So in 50 epochs we got the good accuracy. So this is the loss and validation. So this is the decreases and very few loss we have, and also the validation accuracy and testing accuracy is also high, like mean more than that means the accuracy is the more than 99, and also validation accuracy is also near the 99%. So predicted and validation says here is the predicted marks and actual marks, and this is the data. So we can see those are almost similar. This is the CRX data and predicted marks. This is the another model and the most important model for our work, and we are using the unit. So unit and then here is define the unit function, unit model. Actually here is the convolutionally using the ReLU function and sigmoid function for final convolution, and we use the model name is unit, so in compile, and also using the Atom optimizer for optimize the model. So and this is the summary of my unit model. So here is the total params and trainable params, and we have also non-trainable params, the few model. In unit we don't have any actually non-trainable params, only 0 params has. So this is the good thing. And also we also download the OS based H5, this one, the first one. So those model I included with this file. This is the model fit and trainable. So this one I'm using here the 80 epochs. In 80 epochs I also got the good result for unit. So here we can see the loss and validation is very low, and accuracy and validation accuracy is very high, near that means almost 98%. So this is the good result. Actually we are doing the good result for unit, and also got the good result for REST unit. So those are all about my AI part. So now let's go the web part. So this is the home page of our website. So no user can't enter without login in our page. So if you will access the only home page, then it's automatically redirect to the login page. That means that every user must need to log in the system. Here is the that means login page. There is the only login and reset option. If I click the reset, then it's automatically gone. Only admin in our system, they can add the new users, they can edit the user information, and also they can delete the user information. So if I log in here, so we can see there the user management system. So here is the all of my users, and we can see here is the edit option, and also if we want to delete the user, we can delete, and if we want to add the new user, then admin can only add the new user. So here is also the edit option. We can change our password to entering the old password, new password, and if we submit, if we have some mistake, then we can click the reset button. And this one is the exit, so we can exit from that user. Then those are my tables, and every table has we are giving some testing date. In our system there are 6 types of user. This is the second user, so we can withdraw the user, withdraw the registration. Here is the pinned invoice. We can search and also register the new patients, and also here is the refund option. If anyone to refund, edit, and here is also we can edit the info, and if we want to delete the info, we can easily delete the info. Here is those are the, so we can search from here. Is the tool management system, so it is the daily settlement. We can click, and also we can search from here. Let's move on the user 3. If we click on the user 3, then user 3 has this out presence. So we can, here is the new template. Here is the new template. We can define here the all username automatically from database, and also start the deleted date and application, patients, and template, and everything. So we can start, and we can edit and delete all the. This is the user 3. Every user in our system, they can see and quite options. If anyone want to log out from the system, then they can click this button, and if anyone click the edit option. So this is the user outpatients medical technician workflow, so they can enrich. This is the user 5 options. So user 5 has the pharmacy medicine. Here he can see all the medicine, and also distributed medicine is okay or not, and he can add the new medicine from here. With the withdraw medicine, he can search the medicine, and also drug library. If anyone add the new drug, here he can click the new drug information, then automatically is here. Then they can also delete. So let's move on the user 6. This is the last user of our systems. The outpatient financial management. He can see the all financial information is here. He can appointment department, different departments and appointment code. He can edit and delete all options and add the extra clinic from this option appointment and date. This is actually the backend part. So we are designing the backend part in a good way. So this is the backend part, and also we have the front end part like this. This is the user, every user, 6 types of user, and we can design this one in a good way. So that's all about my web and AI project. So I'm trying to design the AI and web part in a good way. Thank you, Laushi, for your time and consideration.